maybe that's the lights. The air is twinkling on these festive nights. We step inside where the world is bright and new, dressed up in tinsel, crimson, green, and blue. The dolls are singing with a cheerful hum, welcoming everyone, all who've come. It's a small world Christmas, glowing with good cheer. Happy holidays sung loud and clear. From every nation a message you can see. Peace on earth for you and me. Though miles divide us beneath the festive glow, it's a small world Christmas everywhere we go. The Dutch are ice skating beneath the starry sky. The French are caroling as we drift by. In Asian lands the lanterns brightly gleam, a universal holiday dream. The halls are decked out, every single display, celebrating in a special Christmas way. It's a small world Christmas, glowing with good cheer. Happy holidays sung loud and clear. From every nation a message you can see. Peace on earth for you and me. Though miles divide us beneath the festive glow, it's a small world Christmas everywhere we go. The clock tower's ticking, a gentle steady chime, capturing the magic of the special time. No matter the